Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I just realized that in yesterday's video I haven't showed you how to use the nested content shortcode for Aimogen, and if you recall, yesterday's video was on the HTML text prepending and appending feature of the plugin, which was introduced lately. So let me show you how you can combine Aimogen with Echo RSS or any other plugin that I created, and let me show you how to get in the post that Aimogen generates also content from other plugins. I will use an example for Echo RSS feed post generator, which imports content from RSS feeds. So if you create an example rule in Echo RSS, if you don't want to create also posts for this rule, only want to use Aimogen to get generated content from it, you can uncheck the active checkbox and also use the shortcode that the plugin suggests you to use. So you can hover at the question mark here and copy this bolded shortcode that will represent the shortcode that will run this rule, and this will be able to be used in other plugins also. So for example, let's go to Aimogen. Be sure to copy the shortcode that Echo RSS generated here. So let's copy this and go to Aimogen. How to earn a passive income from home. Okay, so this is an example article title that I will add into the plugin, and in the HTML text to prepend and append text box, we will be able to use the shortcode that Echo provided us. So Echo 00, this is the shortcode that will run this rule. So let's write this Echo RSS just to know which is the content that was generated by Echo, and let's write AI content, and afterwards, because this text is prepended to the AI content, we will see the AI content there, and a thank you text to the end of the AI generated content. So let's save this. This is a TechCrunch feed, so we will get some tech related content. So let's run importing. The site is empty now, but after this importing finishes, we will see an article, and it will be a bit mixed because we will get in the second part of the article a passive income content from the Aimogen, and the first part of the article we will see a tech related article from TechCrunch. So let's refresh, and the title, how to earn passive income from home, and Ginger versus Grammarly, this is some article from TechCrunch because we will see Echo RSS generated this. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see AI content, and here is the AI content, which is earn passive income from home related, and also the thank you at the end. So this is how you can use the nested shortcodes, and keep in mind you can use this with any plugin I created and combine any plugins, even multiple ones, 3, 4, 5, and how many you wish. Also, I have plugins for YouTube, for Twitch, Vimeo, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and many platforms. Go ahead and check my portfolio. Okay, now let me also show you, as promised, the feature that I originally wanted to show you in this video. So let's delete this post, and in the HTML text to prepend to the AI content, let's use the random video shortcode, which is new, and I want to show you this right now. So here I want to add a random video on the subject heavy metal. So these will be the keywords that the plugin will use, and it will get a heavy metal related YouTube video, and at the end I want to get a video based on the keyword that I want to use. So in this case it should be post title. So the keyword I want to use should be post title, and the post title will be how to earn passive income from home. So in this case we will get a heavy metal video in the beginning of the post, and at the end of the post we will get a video from YouTube based on our article title, so it will be on passive income generation. So let's check the front end of our site, it's empty, and let's also run importing now. So importing will run, and the plugin will create an AI article, and there will be a YouTube video in the beginning and at the end of the text if everything will work as expected. So this is the heavy metal video that we added at the beginning, and this is the passive income video that we added at the end based on the title of the video. So YouTube searched for a passive income video and this heavy metal video. So I showed the heavy metal video only to exemplify that you can use also manual keywords in there. So if you want to use your static keywords, this will also be supported. And keep in mind that you don't need to add your YouTube API key as suggested before, because this is only optional, and the plugin is also able to get the videos without the API keys. So let me show you also the random image shortcode, which will add a random image based on the same structure, so you can use your own keywords or the post title. So let's add a random image now based on passive income. So let's delete the old post. Let's scrape it. Let's recreate it by AI content and rescrape the video, and we add also an image to the beginning now. So generation takes a bit, and after this is over and the green check mark appeared, we can go back to our site and refresh it, and here it is. It seems that we have a passive income from home. Yes, so she's at home and earning a passive income because she's working and uploading videos maybe. And here is a passive income video, and here is a text from AI. This is generated by OpenAI's GPT-3 API. So this is what I wanted to show you, as these are new features available in the Aimogen plugin, so you can prepend and append, and also random image, random video shortcodes, and also these other shortcodes which I mentioned in the previous video I published on this channel. So this is all for today. If you have more ideas, write them in the comments of this video. They are really appreciated because I read each of them and I respond to them, and I also implement them in the plugin that I work on. Also, sharing, liking, subscribing, it's really appreciated, and I am really grateful for you guys watching this until the end. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.